My name is Mike McFarland. I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska. I brought my 1972 LT1 down to the Florida Regional, down here to Lakeland, Florida. It was a 1,500-mile drive for us. We trailered the car down, and just real glad to be here. This is a real nice NCRS Regional meet, and very glad to be here. It's about 80 degrees warmer than what it was in Lincoln, Nebraska, and just real glad to be here. The car was originally ordered by a young lieutenant in the Army when he was in Germany. I believe he ordered it in October of 1971. He took delivery of the car in May of 1972. He picked it up right across from the plant. There was a dealer in St. Louis who did a lot of the deliveries for the servicemen and women coming back from overseas. And the dealership name is Gene Jansen Chevrolet. They're no longer in business, but they used to be right across the street from the plant. We brought the car down for flight judging. It's been judged previously under the prior owner, and I'm the director of our local chapter, and wanted to have it flight judged. My goal is to get the 5th star for the bow tie award, and I wanted also to run it through the flight judging at a regional, and I'll take it to Mobile coming up in July for the national NCRS meet. And just really wanted to gain more experience going through the judging process.
Okay, so the battery disconnect works. And we got all the tools for that.
I don't drive the car a lot. I also have a 66 and a 2020, and I've owned this car for about a year and don't have all that many miles on it yet, and probably won't drive it. The car has about 30,000 original miles on it, and consequently I likely won't drive it very much. I joined the NCRS for the camaraderie, the education. It's an absolutely fantastic organization to learn more about the cars. Everybody associated with the NCRS has a common interest, and that's in the preservation and the restoration of the cars. And there's no other organization like this that I'm aware of any place in the world. The people are very, very helpful. The judges are helpful. Years ago, I used to think it was an adversarial relationship between the judges and the car owners, that the judges were trying to pick the car apart, but they're really not. They're very helpful, and they really want to see the owners enjoy the hobby, enjoy their cars, and improve their cars. So it's a fantastic organization in which to be part of.